Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Today's topic is factorization. We are going to solve question number 5, part A. The question says, the diagram shows a right-angled triangle with sides 2x centimeter, 2x plus 1 centimeter and 29 centimeter. Part A is, show that 2x square plus x minus 210 equal to 0. To solve this question, we will use Pythagoras theorem. 29 whole square is equal to 2x whole square plus 2x plus 1 whole square. 29 square is 841 equals to 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1. This will become 8x square plus 4x minus 840 equal to 0. Dividing by 4 throughout, you are left with 2x square plus x minus 210 equal to 0. This was our first part. And now we will solve the second part. To find the length of the sides of the triangle, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 210. X is equal to minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC whole over 2A. Putting the values, you will get minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times A is 2 and C is minus 210 whole under root whole over 2 times 2. Now x will be minus 1 plus minus 1 minus minus plus 8 times 210 whole over 4 x equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 0, 8 and 16 over 4 and x equal to minus 1 plus minus 1, 6, 8, 1 and now you will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1681 is 41 over 4. This is x equal to minus 1 plus 41 over 4 and x equal to minus 1 minus 41 over 4. 40 over 4 and x equal to minus 42 over 4. X is equal to 10. We will ignore this because it is giving you a negative value and distance is never negative, so we will ignore this. So the sides will be 2x is 2 times 10, that is 20 centimeter, and 2x plus 1 is 2 times 10 plus 1 is equal to 21 centimeter, and then 29 centimeter. That's all for today's video. Hope to see you soon with a new video. Thanks for watching.